to Helen's Kitchen. Today we'll be doing Otak Otak. So here I have 1 kilo of white flesh fish. Any white flesh fish will do, and cut into chunks. And then here I have 2 egg whites, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and this is the paste that I have blended together, which is made up of 10 dried chili that I soaked in hot water for half an hour and drain, squeeze out the liquid, and then cut into smaller pieces, and 300 grams of shallots that are peeled and roughly chopped, 1 bulb of garlic that are peeled and roughly chopped, 10 kaffir lime leaves that are thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 35 grams of belacan or shrimp paste powder, 10 slices of galangal, 4 candle nuts, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil that I blended together, and this is how it looks. So now what we'll do is we will mix the spice paste together with the fish chunks. Oh, and also not to forget, we also need the banana leaves. These banana leaves, 1 can of coconut cream, about 400 ml of it, and toothpicks afterwards to assemble everything together. The mixture of the fish and the spice mixture together into the food processor. We will pulse it first. Blend it. Okay, so now we will add in the other ingredients. We will add in the salt, the rice flour, the cornstarch, and the egg whites. How it looks. So now we will assemble it together. Run the banana leaf over the fire on the stove, like so, to soften the banana leaf so that it becomes pliable. We will be assembling everything together, so we scoop in about this amount of the paste, fish paste, and then you fold it in this way, and then fold in the other side, and you secure it on each end with a toothpick. in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. We'll turn it over after 10 minutes. We'll keep it for another 10 minutes. Done. After the flipping over for another 10 minutes, we'll remove all of this. This is how it looks for the big ones, the big method. A flat base pan, and then you put the parcels in the, and let it grill for about 4 minutes each side. Now we turn it over and let it cook for another 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes.